Muscle car madness. I asked Google, what is the fastest stock muscle car of the 1960s? This red beauty is the number one fastest stock muscle car. What am I driving? Wouldn't you like to know? That is a 1963 Shelby Cobra 260 motor, and it is the fastest stock muscle car of the 1960s, not touched by anyone else. Buick, Dodge, Plymouth. Plymouth came in second, but this car is the fastest. Want to know more about muscle cars? Keep watching Mitchie the Kid and watch my shorts. Read the description for more info on this car.